Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use Autolog on Ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Ladder, find the application and install it. So once you've installed it and open it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started using the application. But keep in mind, to be able to use Ladder, you're going to need either a pro subscription or to use the free trial that is offered to you once you start the application for the first time. So once you've gotten that, we can go into the themes option right here in the bottom right corner and get started choosing a theme that we want to be a part of and whose workouts we want to follow. Once you've done that, we can get started going to the workout page right here and accessing our workouts. So let's go and take a look at how to use Autolog. Basically guys, manually logging weights and reps is the primary method for tracking progress in the Ladder application, as it does not automatically increase weights from previous sessions. So the application provides the framework for progressive training, but weight adjustments are user driven. So once you complete any of the workouts and you start them, you have your workouts right here. You're going to go and be able to input what weights you are using for how many repetitions and sets and so on. So basically it needs to be done manually and there is no auto log feature. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.